Let's unbox the Mi True Wireless Earphones. Oops, the wrong item. I'm Ong from Mr. Tax, and you are now watching the unboxing of Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. In the box, you will find Mi 10 Pro, plastic case, documents that you will not read, USB-C to 3.5mm headphone jack converter, USB-C cable, and 65W USB power delivery charger. This is an 18W charger by Xiaomi. This is a 27W charger by Xiaomi. And this is 65W charger by Xiaomi. Look at the size difference between 3 different fast chargers. Let's unwrap the plastic from Mi 10 Pro. Xiaomi already included a screen protector out of the box. Look at this beauty. This is the alpine white color. At the front, you'll find the 6.67-inch 90Hz dual-curve Samsung AMOLED display with the tiny 20MP front-facing camera cutout at the top left corner. At the back, you'll find the matte glass back, 108MP quad camera with the flash below. At the right, you'll find the power button and volume buttons. You will find nothing at the left. At the top, you will find the speaker, microphone, and IR blaster. At the bottom, you will find the speaker, USB-C port, and SIM slot. The global version of Mi 10 series is single SIM version. Sorry dual SIM user, Xiaomi just created a reason for you to buy their Redmi Note 9 series. That is all for this unboxing. Remember to subscribe to Mr. Tax channel to watch the review when it is available. I'm considering to do the review after MIUI 12 Global Stable version is available for Mi 10 Pro. Remember to leave the comment down below to let me know whether you want to watch the review with MIUI 11 or MIUI 12. I will do a separate unboxing video for Mi True Wireless Earphones. Remember to stay tuned. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. See you on the next video.